Hey friends! So I know this is a little bit dangerous, me holding a camera while I'm driving, but I wanted to tell you that I'm about to go get a haircut at a salon, and I've never been to this salon, and I am going to record the whole thing. So you get to see me get my salon haircut, which I'm really excited about. I'm probably going to do something similar to what I currently have, which is slightly asymmetrical, but my hair's so grown out. I didn't even do my hair today. It looks a little bad. But anyways, yes, super excited, and I'm taking you guys along for the ride. So watch what happens next. So I just got out of my haircut. I'm really liking it. He didn't take a lot of the length off, but he took a lot of the bulk off. It feels really good. It feels clean. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you haven't subscribed, I'd love to have you. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.